of for the second day of the notes for the periodic table. We're going to finish everything and the color by number. So for this page that we left off on from the other day, you need to identify the element based on the group and period that the element is in. So if it's a group, it's a column. It's a row if it's a period. So if you want to put a C and an R right above, okay, you can. Just so you remember that these are columns and these are rows. But you need to be familiar with the term group and period. So when I look at group 4, period 1, let me grab a periodic table real quick. Here we go. So the first problem is group 4, which is right here, period 5. See, 4 and 5. And if I put them together, we get ZR is the answer. The second question is group 2, period 2. And if I put them together, we get beryllium. All right, y'all. So let's go over these answers. So what did you get for 1? What was the element for 1? I mean for 1C, for C, after beryllium. W, which is tungsten. And then what about D? Helium. E. SN. Yes, SN is actually 10. F. Wait. Oh, my fault. Nope, you're good. I thought you meant the number 10. Nope. Wait, what? Oh, I get it. And what about F? Zinc, which is Zn, right? G. Fr. That's the largest element on the periodic table, francium. H. PO. I. Chlorine, yes. Cl. J. Ag, silver. That's my fault. No, it's the writing. It was the writing. G looked like God. All right, K is V. Yep. L. PT, potassium. Wait, no, that's something. Is it platinum? What is PT? I can stop. Where's PT at? PT is platinum. Okay. M. Al. Al, aluminum. And the last one, N. Bismuth. Bi. Yep. Bi. So there goes. Pause the video and write these answers down. All right. Now we got to go to the properties. So let's see. I'm going to write metal, non-metal, and I'm going to put ML for metalloid. Okay. I'm going to grab Dylan's paper here. And he already did it. No, this is Dylan's. Okay. All right. So tell me if the property is a metal, non-metal, or metalloid. A. Non-metal. Yes, non-metal. B. Metal. C. Metal. D. Non-metal. E. Yes. F. Yep, ML. Metalloid. G. Metal. H. Gas. It's a gas. Non-metal. Cobalt. Metal. A good conductor. Metal. Brittle. And brittle means it breaks. Yep, non-metal. Brittle means like it breaks easily, like a potato chip. Oxygen. Non-metal. All right, so there goes the answers to part 2. We got A, non-metal, B, metal, C, metal, D, non-metal, E and F, metalloid, G, metal, H, non-metal, I, metal, J, metal, K, and L, non-metal. All right, let's flip. Flip, flip. Okay, so I'm just going to fill in these answers because we actually did these answers. They're up on the board right now, so everyone already wrote them down. So I'm going to do, yeah, okay. What's number 3, y'all? Groups. 4. 5. Atomic. 6. Mass. 7. Ductile. 8. Malleable. 9. Transition metals. Yep. Wait, are you going to remember what TM means? Okay. You know, some people do abbreviation, but they forgot what it was. What's group 1 called for number 10? Yep, alkali. So we got alkali metals. Then we got alkaline earth. You know how, you see how group 1 and 2 have the same kind of similar names? The way that I remember which one is which, see how group 1 has one word and group 2 has alkaline earth, 2 words? That's how I remember. All right, what's group 18 called? You guys dealt with these on the test.
Noble gases.
Noble gases. And group 17 is called halogens. All right, y'all over there, please. 14, what group? 1. 15, what group? Oh, what's 15? 17. And then 16 is 18. And 17 is 1. So there goes the answers. All right, so flip. Now we're going to get to the coloring. But let's first do our answers. Oh, no. Let's first label our groups on here. So grab your periodic table. We're going to label them. Label it on yours, your blank one, okay? All right, so everyone's doing this? All right, so what is group 1 called? Does anybody remember? Yep, go ahead. It starts with an A. Yes. So if you write alkali, right there. If you want to use a highlighter, they're in the green container, but that's the name of group 1, alkali metals. No. Okay, right on your periodic table. Look, Levi, look up at the screen. Or if you want to, you can put see where it says alkali metals? If you want to put a 1 there so you remember group 1, but it's kind of easier to just to look and see it's right there. Group 2 is the one with 2 words, alkaline earth. Okay, that's the name of them, alkaline earth. And if you need the spelling, look at 10 and 11. The transition metals is the D block. The D block is the transition metals. So I'm just going to write transition metals right above the D block. And if you look at number 9 on the board, that's how you spell transition. There goes the transition metals. All right, Christian, you got to write this down, please. Or label it somehow on your periodic table. Just to be honest, not every group has a name. Sometimes it just goes by the first element in the group. So it might be the carbon group, or the boron group, or the nitrogen group, all right, or the oxygen group. The halogens, it's actually labeled right here. And everyone should already have the noble gases labeled, but I'm going to write it down here. Noble gases. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, if you already know it, then it's fine. But make sure the halogens is already written there. We got the transition metals, the alkali and the alkaline earth. The alkali is the two columns or groups closest to the noble gases is the most reactive. Group 1 metals is the most reactive metals, and group 17, the halogens, are the most reactive nonmetals because they're so close to being a noble gas that they're willing to do anything.
Are you not recording this right now?
Oh, up there, they're still up there from the other day. And what did you say, Levi?
I said, are you not recording this right now?
Oh, I am. Oh, I forgot I was recording. Yeah. So, did anybody want to borrow this periodic table? LeVay, did you want to look at this, or are you good? Okay. Okay. All right, we are going to the color by number. This is the reason I had you grab those colored pencils.
Were you going to?
Yes. There you go. All right, I'm going to erase the answers off the board. And the video, you can still hear me, I hope. Actually, let me just turn the camera around, right? Oh, no, not turn this. Turn this so it faces me. Wait, it's upside down.
There you go.
Wait, why does it have to be upside down like that?
Wait. Oh, wait.
Wait. Oh, wait, there we go.
There you go.
There we go. All right. So, we're on the color by number. How many? Yep, go ahead. The D block, that middle section, is the transition metal. We don't got to worry about them, but they go by the first name. So these are the lanthanides and the actinides. So you don't, just the two elements they go by. Okay, we are going to, how many questions are on the color by number? Is it 12 or?
Let me see.
You got one?
There is
15. Okay, so we got 15 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. So, looking at the color by number, let's just answer the questions first, and then you guys can just color it, and that'll be it. Okay. What identifies the number of protons? Do you think A, B, or C? Which one is the number of protons? It's definitely not B. So it's either A or C. C. Yes, atomic number. So C is 1.